Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for the fudgiest brownies ever. I would jump on these brownies at any time and place because I don't know, they don't seem to be keto or low carb. They are so yummy, so fudgy, so soft. It's unbelievable. So I have it right here and let me show you what it looks like. Can you see that? That's how fudgy it is. Oh my God, it is absolutely amazing. So I'll do a taste test right now. Oh my God. Okay, you've got your brownies for the rest of your life. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin with this really simple recipe. We begin with 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. In that goes into a mixing bowl. And then after this, next we have half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. If you have the dark one, use that. In goes 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we have 1/4 of a cup of a sweetener, a pinch of salt. And now a very important ingredient. Please use a sugar-free syrup, the Gooey kind. It makes all the difference to this recipe. In that goes, this is what is going to make it really fudgy. Now we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. In that goes, and give it a good mix, and 3 eggs. Maybe you see only 2 eggs. I put 1 in later. So 3 eggs altogether. And give it all a good mix, and we are ready to add in the dark chocolate bits. Just 3-4 squares, and if you have the stevia sweetened ones, that's perfect. Just chop them up and add them into the mix. Now we're going to put all this into an 8 by 8 inch brownie pan. It's not very high, and I've lined it with parchment paper. And we are going to drop in all the mixture, seeing that it reaches all the ends, and ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 22 to 24 minutes. And this is what we get after that. Lovely, gooey, fudgy. They are piping hot, and that's why it seems like they are crumbling. But I was too excited to show this to all of you. So I hope you enjoy these brownies. They are the fudgiest and gooey ones you'll ever